All right, so this is the second video, and this talks about another process, which is to make the bands. There are two bands involved in this face shield. There's a visor band, and there is a headband that goes around the head. We're using this special strap that comes from Home Depot called plastic hanger strap, and the size you want is the 3/4 inch, and 100 foot is cheaper. This is $12 approximately to get the 100 feet, so it's really cheap. You can get it in 10-foot lengths, but it's more expensive that way, obviously. Now I'm first going to describe the visor band, and this is what the plastic's going to get attached to. And what I recommend is you make a template and tape it down onto a table or a countertop, and it makes it a lot easier. You don't need to use any tape measure for measuring, or you don't need to count holes, whatever. But to set that template up, this is one that has 20 holes in it, and the cuts are between the holes. You notice that the cut ends are between the holes and not on a hole. And I wrote a 20 on here just to remind me. And then I mark two spots right in the middle. One is the 10th hole and the other is the 11th hole. This will be useful when we're attaching the mask to have these spots identified. So this is the one. This is the visor. So you cut these to length using. I use shears here. These are called metal cutting shears, but you can also use a strong scissor and cut the plastic here. Okay, so this is the visor band. Now going down to the headband. This is a little bit longer. This has 22 holes in it. That was 20. This is 22 holes. It's a little bit longer. You don't need to mark any of the holes in the middle, but what we do is cut off beveled corners here. We create beveled corners here because these are sharp points here, and they can be irritating if you're wearing a headband and it's got those sharp points. So that's the reason why we cut these off. So again, make a template, tape it down onto the countertop, and then it's quite easy to just go like this and stretch out this, mark it, hold your finger over that hole, and then you know that when you cut this off like this, this will be the right length, and you can use this then to cut the bevel. Use this then to cut the bevels on the tips. Also, having the bevels is nice because when you look at a strap, you can easily identify whether it's a visor band or whether it's designed for the headband. And that's it.